Hooray! It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Amazing! Let's build the first floor. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Move the part to the right place. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Don't stop. Let's build the second floor. We need to wash. Drop side truck. Move the brush to wash the dirt away. We did it! We have to assemble. Lift crane. That's all. Now we need to fill it. Lift crane. Amazing! We will make a roof. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. We did it! You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Hooray!